Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Moz Local for NAP consistency, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Moz Local for NAP consistency, start by visiting the Moz website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Moz Local section from the dashboard. On the Moz Local page, you will see an option to start a new listing. Click on the Add a Business button. Enter your business name exactly as it appears in other listings. Next, fill out the complete address, making sure it matches your NAP details. Input your phone number, ensuring it is the same across all platforms. Add your website URL if applicable. Select the primary category that best describes your business. After entering all necessary details, review the information for accuracy. Then click on the Save or Submit button to create your listing. Once your listing is created, Moz Local will check for NAP consistency across multiple directories. You will receive a report detailing any inconsistencies found. Follow the recommendations provided to correct any discrepancies. Consider linking your Moz account to additional platforms for enhanced visibility. Regularly update and monitor your listings for ongoing NAP consistency. Utilize the dashboard to track your changes and performance. This will help ensure your business remains visible and properly listed online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.